English language. Besides that, it has become our need to have the job of private. The reason is the market needs your communication skills. They require, even the teachers who go for teaching, maybe physics or chemistry or any other subject, they require their demo in English language. And the best of all, it gives you the prestige and the respect in the society when you have the English language skills.
It means to say shortly that in every degree, every school, every university, there is, means what we can say that English is compulsory now.
It is the compulsory subject as well, but it has become, you cannot prosper in this world without having English language skills. Not only English communication skills, but you have to be very good at reading, writing and listening. Even if you see the doctors who go for FCPS and go abroad, they have to appear in an IELTS exam, and which is not very easy. If you have gone through the background of English language in government schools and private, that might be difficult for you because they judge you in 4 skills, and we have to get 7+ scores for having a good score and getting a degree from abroad.
Oh, okay, sir. My next question from you is that what's your qualification?
I've done my master's in English language, which is called actually Applied Linguistics, in 2009, and since then I have started teaching, and at the moment I'm teaching linguistics to my BS program at GC University Hyderabad.
Okay, sir. Sir, my third question from you is that what's your responsibility as a lecturer? Because in every field, in every, what we call as, every person has his or her own responsibility. So as a lecturer, English lecturer, what's your responsibilities?
The only thing that I work besides my subject of teaching linguistics and besides that English language teaching at the private institutes in the evening, I want my students to be good at English. They should be communicating in English. They must be having confidence while speaking. They should have the confidence to have eye-to-eye contact with the audience. If there are 10 or 100 or even millions, they need to have that much confidence to speak to such an audience, and they should be flawless English.
You want these things because you are
a necessity of this English language, and what English can benefit you in the society, whatever the subject you select in the society, whether you go for any other subjects, maybe IT or maybe computer science, maybe art, maybe IT, any other subject that you select, but in the world you have to be good at English in order to prosper in your own field.
Okay. Sir, my next question from you is that how do you feel as an English lecturer?
First, this was my subject. Now it has become my bread and butter actually, and since 2006, because of this English language, I am leading my life, spending my life, and it has become my head to toe. I cannot have any other choice now. I have to become a teacher. I will be a teacher.
You don't have any choice.
I do not have, and that has become now. Yes, others might have, the young generation might have the choice of subjects now, but I decided myself to be good at English and be an English teacher, and that is what my aim is till throughout my life.
Sir, every person has now you are the English lecturer. It was your aim.
It was my aim to become a teacher, and I was inspired from English teachers, so I selected my subject English because of my teacher, and then I followed my career in the same subject.
So now you are successful in your career.
You may say that because
Alpha Institute in Hyderabad is leading on, I think it's going best now. Best art we call as the outstanding. So it means that you are successful.
Thanks for your compliment. I had very poor background of education, but right after my master's in English, having first class, third position in English department of Sindh University, I thought that I can have a better career in that, and hopefully I think that I'm an 18th grade lecturer in the university, so you can say I'm successful, but that is not the end of my life. Still I'm into the struggle. The destination is somewhere else. I'll see in the future, God knows.
Inshallah, you will see. Sir, my next question from you is that being a lecturer of Alpha Institute, so what's your experience? Because you are teaching here since 2006. So what's your experience?
Yes, I did not start teaching here first. I was as a receptionist and observed the teachers and took some demonstration from them. And slowly, gradually, right after my master's in 2009, I started teaching. And the difference I brought in my students was not to teach English only. It is a broad aspect of learning and teaching them the manners to be a good citizen of the society. And what is Alpha famous for? Because of building youth, grooming youth, giving them platform to show their talent, explore and chisel their talent to show in the society, whether in debates, speeches, or even the plays, the tableaus. Then the audience see the confidence in my students, maybe of the 6th class or even the university or pass out. I find my students to be very confident. That is what I have worked for, and I feel blessed. And some of the students that have outshined the world.
Sir, what's your future goal for this institute? That now you are hardworking on the students about the different activities, speeches, presentations, debates, tableaus, and etc. So, what's your future goal for this institute? That you have to what we call a successful number one. It will be Alpha will be the number one in Hyderabad. So, what's as like saying what's your point of view about this?
Yes, people say as far as English language is concerned, in Hyderabad there are only 2 institutes. They run only for English language. One is American Center and the other is Alpha. The rest of the other institutes, they have coaching classes, 9th metric and first year. This is not purely a language center, and besides that we prepare for IELTS exam. My aim for this institute would be someday, I hope so, God may bless me and give me the strength and the chance and the life as well to make it affiliated with the university, and we should offer the BS program or degree program. If not, then I will go for launching my own school with the same name.
Sir, there are so many students who are watching our interview that what your last message for the youth means. They have to be confident, they have to be talked among the people, they have to be so much extraordinary students. What your message for youth?
Be good at what you are studying, have good English skills, communication skills, and make a goal. That goal should be higher than the mountains, maybe Mount Everest or even the stars like or the moon. But every day remind yourself that what is my goal. And every day, one step ahead towards your goal, that will be your victory. That is what I can guarantee you. You have to work very hard every day to be near to your goal. In order to achieve the big goal, you have to achieve the small steps. If you don't follow the small steps, you will go for shortcuts, and shortcuts never give you success. That success might be also for the shortcut. So for bigger achievement, bigger goals and small steps to achieve that bigger goal. I hope you will be successful, inshallah.
Sir, it was a great time to
Thank
spend with you, and I'm again very thankful of yours that you gave me your precious time.
And I'm very happy to have an interview with you because you feel very confident, and the assignment or the audience that they will watch, I hope you will have some learning from me, and thank you very much for listening to me and watching me.
So my audience, I hope that you have learned something or not something but many things from this interview. So take care of yours and also others, and permit me and Mr. Parwez Bughio, and I will be again come on the screen with another famous personality. So till that, Allah Hafiz and take care.